Okay, today we're going to learn how to post a blog post on your website, your Iterum website. So the site here, we've got blog posts. And just to show you what's there, when I go to the blog, you're going to have a couple of parts. You're going to have sort of the title and some additional information about who the author is and the date. Then you're going to have an introductory paragraph of some sort, and you're going to have a read more link. And that's going to take you to the full-blown article. All right? So we want to add a new blog post to this site. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go just directly into SitePilot. So I'm going to change the URL to /Iterum/pilot. Then I'm going to log in as somebody who's got credentials. And you can log in with your own user ID and password, and that will get you into SitePilot. And then once I'm here, I'm going to go find the blog. And I know it's a thing called the blog, and it is of type blog. So I will just search for it. And here I am. All right, so now I need to create a new post. So all you do is you just create a new blog post. It's the only option you have. And when you create the post, it's going to come pre-populated with the various parts that you want to put in the blog. All right. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to update the link title, which is going to be the headline and also the link on the site. So I've got a sample post here, and so my link title might be my headline, might be one of the same. And you might shorten the link title or do something else with it, but I'm going to leave it this way for now. And I'm actually going to enter my headline value too. So this is what's going to dictate and create the H1. All right. Then I'm just going to march through these parts here. Okay. So the first thing is the SEO option, and I'm going to put in my same title again. That's the browser title now, and you might beef this up and add additional information here, right? So additional keywords. Remember, this is what you're going to see when you're in Google and you do a search. This is the main headline. So if you want to beef it up with some keywords or a better sentence or something, you can do that. And you're going to put in a description, which is that summary of the link when you run a Google search. So enter 2 sentences for summary of this page. All right. And then you can ignore the other things. You can document keywords and things here if you want to, but they're not really used by Google anymore, and you don't need to worry about priority change frequency or any of the other alternate URLs. All right, and the next part is going to be our blog spec. So this is where you can put in your author name, so Craig Sumner, and my email, csumner@iterum.com. And then the next part is going to be the intro paragraph. So if you remember when we looked at the blog, we had that short intro paragraph. So what you want to do is you're going to go back to your article, and you're probably going to just take your first paragraph. That's my recommendation. You could take part of that, but I'm going to copy that in my clipboard, and then I'm going to paste it in here. All right. So there is my paragraph. I'm going to get rid of that extra space I copied, and then I'm going to have my complete post minus the intro paragraph. So everything else in my post, so the remaining paragraphs, are going to go here. All right, and then finally, I've got some share code. If I've got share code or something that I'm using to share this link or something that's on your site, then that code would go here. And there's a good chance that this share code component would be shared across all your blog posts. So I'm going to leave this blank for now. So I just save it. And then I'm going to go visit my site. And when I go to my blog, you're going to see that the first post is my new blog post. I can go directly to it there, or if I go to the blog, it's going to show me my case study. Here's my title, created by Craig Sumner today, and here's my intro paragraph with the link to the post. All right, so that's it for creating a blog post. We'll do future videos about adding pictures and things to your individual post. Thanks for your time.